Trovador. I'm Duke Patrick La-anan. Here with me are Prince Gino Alag, Prince Carl Jestre, and Earl Christian Ocleana. We are the Group 3 from the Ministry of Information Systems. We are here to present our IS238 project. This IS238 project consists of several steps that will process input from the user and return an appropriate response. Initial phase is the management and receipt of email communications through forward email. An automatic download of image attachments using AWS Lambda and S3 bucket. From this input, the project will utilize artificial intelligence to detect and identify people in the image. This is using AWS Lambda and recognition. Still using AWS Lambda, it will reply with names corresponding to the pictures of people identified in the attached file. Basic validations and messages shall also be incorporated to ensure smooth interaction with the users. To demo the first two cases of our project, here is Prince Carl Jestre. Take it away, Prince Carl!
So, thank you, Patrick. I will be presenting some of the features of the project. So, to start, I will demo the first case. So, in this case, I will send an email into our software project with one attachment that has a celebrity picture. So, let's try. Let's send to test email. Then, for the subject, I will just put simple case 1 and I will add the picture. So for this demo, I will add the picture of Taylor Swift. Then we'll just send this. So let's wait for the response and we will see if our project can identify the celebrity in the picture. So here is the response of the system. So as you can see, the system can identify the celebrity in the picture. So it said it is Taylor Swift. So for the next case, I will send an email again with multiple attachment into our software. Some of this attachment is with celebrity and some are not. So let's try again. So I will send again to test email. Then for the subject, I will put complex case 1 and I will add the pictures of the celebrity. So here, so then I already add the 2 non-celebrity pictures. So let's try if the system can identify the pictures. So this is the reply of the system. So as you can see, the system can identify all the pictures of the celebrity and the 2 are non-celebrity. So here's the response of the system. So for the last case, I will try again to send multiple attachment to the software, but this time I will add non-image or non-picture. So let's see or how the system will act to this. So I will add again the multiple image with celebrity and non-celebrity. And I will also add a text file. So let's see how the system will handle this. So here's the reply of the system. So as you can see, the system can also recognize the celebrity and the non-celebrity. Also, the system can identify the non-image. So it says file are not an image. So that's all. Back to you, Patrick.
Thank you for that, Prince Carl. Now to demo the last 3 cases of our project, here is Earl Christian Ocleana. Take it away, Earl Christian.
Thanks, Patrick, and hello everyone. Today, I am thrilled to demonstrate the capabilities of our project. For the first scenario, I will be sending an email to our application with multiple attachments. The first set includes pictures of celebrities, while the second set has images of motorcycles or non-celebrities. I am also sending an attachment in the form of a text file. This will help us observe how our application handles textual inputs. Lastly, I've included a GIF file to showcase our project's ability to process multimedia limited to PNG and JPEG. So let's proceed to the demo. So let me compose an email, and I will address the email to this address. So our application sits on top of test email at gcalag.live, and I will put a subject scenario 1, and let me drop attachment. So here's my first attachment. So this picture has an so just wait for the image to load. So there's Andrea Brillantes and his former boyfriend. Here's the second attachment. Where's the second attachment? Here is the second attachment. A motorcycle. And the third attachment, a text file, and then a GIF file. Okay, so let's send this email and let's just wait for the reply. So maybe it takes a moment to process the images or attachments. So here's the reply for our scenario, first scenario. So let me stretch this out. So as you can see, the application returns a table consists of the object URL where you can view the uploaded attachments. So the first image is for the celebrity Andrea Brillantes. The second attachment is the GF file. So the response is file not an image, and the third attachment is the text file. The response of the application is file not an image, and then the last attachment is the motorcycle, which is celebrity not found. For the second scenario, I will be sending an email with no attachments. So our app must detect that there's no attachment and must be able to reply accordingly. So let's compose another email to test email at chikalag.live, and I will be putting a subject scenario 2. So I will just leave this blank and send the email. So let's see what the application will reply to us. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, here's the reply. So for the second scenario, the reply is your email does not have any attachment. So yun. And for the third and last scenario, I will be sending an email with the same attachments with the first scenario, but this time I will be adding another email in the carbon copy field. In this way, we can test if our app will send the reply to both sender and the other recipients of the email. So let's go. Let's test if the other recipients will receive also the response. So let's compose an email to test email at chikalag.live, and I will be putting the scenario 3 as the subject, and I will be adding my UP email in the CC field. So let me drop the attachment. So for the first attachment, a picture of the celebrity. Second attachment, the text file. Third attachment is the image of a motorcycle, and the last attachment is a GIF file. Okay, so that's it, I think, and let's send this email and wait for the response. So automatically, since that we put our own email in the CC field, so we will be receiving the email itself, so without the response. So let's just wait for the response of the application. And here it is. So let's just check the details, email details. So here's the application email, my email that I used to send this email, and the CC email. So it's just the same email. Okay, so and again the response of the application is the same with the first scenario. So I think that's it for our application demonstration.
Thank you for that, Earl Christian. Now to provide a brief explanation about how forward email, S3, and Lambda is set up, here is Prince Gino Alag. Take it away, Prince Gino.
Thank you, Patrick. I'll be discussing a quick overview of the high-level technical side of the project. So we start with the configuration with the forwardemail.net. Once we are logged into the website, we will be shown the domain name. So we click on it. And we will be shown the current configurations. So we added an asterisk for the catch-all condition, and we also indicated the function URL of our first Lambda. What this basically means is that All emails sent to this domain will be forwarded to this URL for processing. So moving on to the first Lambda, what it does is that it receives an email and saves the attachment to the S3 buckets with some tags and metadata for added information, which will be used in the processing for the celebrity recognition. Moving on to the S3 buckets, we have configured two. One bucket for the newly sent attachments and another one for the processed files. Transferring the processed files from the first bucket would save runtime and also some of the resources. Also, we have added the first bucket as the trigger for the second Lambda. This would actually perform the celebrity recognition. It will send an email response to the sender, including the object URL of the attachment and also the names of the celebrities recognized in the file, or in case the file is not an image at all. Basically, that's all for the high-level technical side. Back to you, Patrick. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Prince Gino. That is it for our group presentation. I hope Your Majesty Miguel and the citizens of Novador had a great time listening to our presentation. Have a good day!
Thank you.
Goodbye.